our 7-Eleven food. Okay, cannot see, never mind. So we are back at home right now, and these are the things that we got. We literally swept the whole 7-Eleven shelves to get all these food.
Obviously, we do not have all the selections because we only went to a few 7-Eleven stores.
But these are everything that we can find at our nearest 7-Eleven stores. Without further ado, let's start eating! Onagi onigiri. All I taste is rice and seaweed. Unagi is so freaking little and it's right in the middle. So I'm not really enjoying this because the unagi is too little. I barely got to taste the unagi, so I don't like it.
Okay, so for rice, it is hard, but I'm not sure if it's because we didn't reheat it enough.
I would rate this 4 out of 5. 5 out of 10.
Clap! Sandwich!
Ooh! 10 out of 10!
You haven't even eaten
because I always eat this for breakfast, okay? So good! I absolutely love 7-Eleven sandwiches because they taste super good. Everything is nice, the bread is soft, the ham, cheese, chicken all taste really good, and there's a right amount of it. Not too much and not too little.
For me, I like it, and I think the plus point is that it is very convenient.
I mean, these are all convenient store food. That's why it's convenient. Somebody's a bimbo. I will not specify who. Pizza slice.
They see me rolling, they hating.
Pizza is so good, guys. The crust is good, the ingredients are very delicious. I love this very much.
10 out of 10!
Cheesy chicken burger. Why is everything from 7-Eleven so photogenic? You eat first. You know how usually the first bite you don't get to eat the patty? I love you.
I'm impressed.
I'm impressed too.
10 out of 10.
The bun is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The patty is flavorful and then the cheese just melts. Oh,
Hey, you guys here.
Oppa, 사랑해. Honey chicken wing. Piping hot chicken wings. Are you kidding me? 7-Eleven is doing such a good job. Everything is delicious. I also like that they are very thoughtful. They gave us gloves to use as well. Super well marinated, guys. Our rating is
9 out of 10. You know how some chicken wing is only like marinated on the skin? But then for this, it's like you can even taste it in the meat itself.
Look at how big this chicken leg is. It covers my face already.
Oh my goodness. It's good. The black pepper taste is very strong. Very, very good.
The meat is very tender and very soft. And also very, very thoroughly marinated. 9.5 out of 10. Nyonya dry Mee Siam. Oh, piping hot. I went down to the nearest 7-Eleven to get this reheated. So let's dig in.
It feels like it's bought from legit food stores.
9 out of 10 for this. The flavor is awesome. Japanese chicken curry. Ooh, look at this! As we can see, there is a very generous serving of curry and chicken, fried chicken as well. The curry tastes really good. The carrots and the potato are very soft. and they are in this small little bite size. As for the fried chicken, I would say it's a little bit soggy, but you can't expect it to be crispy because it's microwave food. So we'll give this 8 out of 10. Kimchi fried rice.
I have high expectations of Korean food, and this is really good.
It's very thoroughly seasoned and very flavorful. It has some kimchi bits, some seaweed bits, and then also some... Oh, there are some meat also.
10 out of 10!
10 out of 10! Nasi Lemak! Now for the not so anticipated Nasi Lemak. Surprisingly, it's actually very fragrant. Okay, we're going to try the chicken right now. The fried chicken is very nice as well. Oh my god, everything is good!
8 out of 10!
I'm still waiting for them to screw up, but it's still not happening yet. So this chicken rice comes with chili and soy sauce and sesame oil. Okay guys, I'm starting to feel really thirsty, and I think that these things are all loaded with MSG, and that's probably the reason why.
I have very high expectations for this.
Really?
Yes, because chicken rice is my favorite food.
Yes, chicken rice is one of my favorite food too. So this is where they screw up. The rice is not soft, it's kind of hard. It tastes a little bit undercooked.
The chicken is tender but not very flavorful.
5 or 6? Yeah, 6. Would not recommend. Butter chicken biryani. Finally on to our last rice dish. In case you don't know, the chicken biryani is actually one of the most popular 7 select items. Is it 7 called 7 select?
Yeah,
Yeah, 7 select items. And it was highly recommended by the uncle at the 7-Eleven store. Oh, it's so good! For a moment I actually forgot that it's butter chicken. The moment I ate it, the butter flavor just came out so prominently that I was like, oh, this is butter chicken biryani. The chicken has this very strong milk butter kind of aroma. 11 out of 10! Yes. Lava cake. Yes. Okay, guess who went all the way down to 7-Eleven to heat up the lava cake again? Yeah, that's me. Red velvet lava, chocolate lava! Woohoo! Okay guys, I tried this before and it's freaking heavenly and it's a must try. I'll give it maybe 12 out of 10.
Okay, I have not tried it, so I'm gonna try it now.
Is it good?
It is really, really very good. It's like soft, it is like lava-ish, and it's like
Lava-ish?
oh.
Look at this, guys. Oh my god. A moment of silence for how delicious this is. Why is it not flowing out today? The other time I ate it, it really just like flow out, but this time it's not. It's different, maybe because like different 7-Elevens, even though they have the same microwave, maybe if the microwave is like old or something, then it doesn't heat up as well as the newer ones, right?
Okay, so in summary, 7-Eleven food are really, really good.
It's totally out of my expectations. Question, would you have this for dinner?
Yes. You?
Yes. Which is your favorite dish?
Okay, so my favorite is kimchi fried rice and also the lava cake.
And my favorite is lava cake, definitely. And it's very hard to choose because everything is so delicious. But I would say chicken biryani and also the honey chicken wing.
And our least favorite is the onigiri
And
chicken rice.
yes, chicken rice.
Sadly.
It's a little bit of a pity that we didn't manage to get the eggs, pasta, and carbonara and all that stuff. But both of us actually tried the eggs before and it's super duper good. You know what? That's actually my favorite. 2. I like everything. I can decide. Recommend you guys check that out as well.
Keep in mind that we are doing this as like an experience vlog. We are not experts, so please be gentle on us.
Do know that this review is not sponsored, so we bought all of this with our own money. I can't believe we spent spend $50 on 7-Eleven food.
Okay, so that's the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
If you dislike this video, also give it a thumbs up. I believe a lot of people are gonna dislike this video. Why do they always dislike our video?
Don't forget to subscribe to us and share this with your friends. So, if you enjoyed watching us spend $50 on 7-Eleven food when we could have spent it dining in a pretty fine restaurant, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And we will see you in the next video.